Namaskaram, Namaskara. I welcome you all back to Rani Hindustani. This is Rani Hindustani, and today we are going to react to the trailer announcement of the movie RRR. The trailer is going to come tomorrow, that is 9th of December, but they have just released a glimpse of the trailer and they're introducing NTR's character Bheem in it. So, without further ado, let's get started. I know it's a very short announcement of 16 seconds, but I'm still very interesting to see what it is about. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. Okay.
Brace yourself for Bheem.
Whoa. Okay, very short teaser, title announcement. I don't know what to call it, but only 16 seconds. What I felt from it is like an alligator coming out of the water to attack its prey. That's what I felt. So quite interesting, I must say. I have heard that both NTR and Ram Charan had to go through a lot of training for these characters. This movie is completely fictitious. It's been produced by S.S. Rajamouli. We know him from Bahubali and other movies that he has done. He is an internet world Indian sensation right now, you must say, after the work that we have seen of him in the past. He went to Ram Charan and NTR for these roles and roped them in. This movie is in making since 2017. In 2018, both of these actors, they went through extensive workshops to prepare for their roles. Since the movie is based in 1920s, so it was very important to get the accent right, to get the clothing right, to have that physique, to have that interaction with the society at that time. So yeah, all of that. That's why they prepared for these characters in the movie. Now the movie is, as I told, completely fictitious, but it's based on two freedom fighters whose names are Alluri Sitaram Raju and Komaram Bheem. In an interview, Rajamouli said that he had this thought that what would have happened if these two freedom fighters in reality came together during their formative years. How would the history would have panned out? So in the movie also he's trying to show the same. It is based in Delhi when they are at their younger ages and come together and meet each other, and then what happens. So yeah, this is, I think, about it. Now it's a very extensive project, and since it's been in making so long, it's coming out in the theaters in January 2022. It would be very interesting to see how this movie pans out, because lot at stake here, I must say. And with the work and kind of momentum that this movie is getting in the internet, on the internet and in real lives of people, everybody is very excited. So am I. But for this mini trailer tease, this is it from my side. We were introduced to Bheem's character and it looked absolutely amazing. For this video, this is it from my side. If you like this video, if you like my reaction, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If possible, please do subscribe to me, because subscription is free. And if you subscribe to me, you can come back to me and see my videos again and again. If you are not subscribed to me, I do not mind because if you're coming back to me looking at my videos, that also means a lot. Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for watching me. Until next time, bye bye.